Shemai guys, welcome to WWS. So following on from the track balancing video that we did, I'm going to show you how to wear the track, so stay tuned after this. Okay, so here we go, weathering. Now there's lots of different types of weathering techniques you can use out there, right? You can use the airbrush, for that, but if you don't want to go to the expense of that, then the weathering powders are a good option that you can go for. Yeah, so running through the weathering powders that we've got, we've got our rust, we've got our light rust, we've got then different tones of earth tones, so we've got concrete dust and light earth, we've got black soot there, which is great for down the sides and in the middle of your track. Yeah, then we got our greens, which is green moss, which again you can blend into your grass there. Yeah, then we got copper oxide. Okay, copper oxide we're not going to use, and then we've got another one which I haven't labelled up yet. Right, the colour there is a desert yellow, which is great if you've got pathways and you want to add a lighter area because you've got a pathway. That's what we do. So what I'm going to do now is going to move them all out of the way and start using the rust down the rust track. This is the video that we're going to do for you now. Right, okay, let's get started then. So we're going to move some of these powders out of the way. Yeah, and then I'm going to show you the tools that we're going to use. Okay. So the first one we're going to use, I'm going to move the train out of the way so I can get to the track. First one we're going to use is the rust. Okay, there's the rust. Right, so these are a pop on, pop off lid. So just take it off, put it to the side. Then I've got an array of brushes. Yeah, I got lots of different types of brushes here that I use. Yeah, for what we're going to use on this one, it's a nice fine detailing one. Yeah, and then one to brush off. Okay, so get them two. That's the two that I use just for the track. Yeah, because sometimes you can go too heavy on the track. So all you do is we let it dry off a bit and brush it off. So I got that, and then I use a little pot of isopropylene. Okay, and I'm going to try my pouring skills now. All right, so keep an eye. There we go, and I just use a little pot of isopropylene to wet the brush. Okay, because I like to put on the rust. I like to put on wet. Right. So what I do, I've got the blue roll by the side of me over here. Yeah, I try to get a damp patch going. Okay, with a wet patch going, and dip in, and then dip in again. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to go up now, get to an angle, Josh can have a look to see if I can get that in. Okay, I'm going to quickly check myself. Yeah, I'm happy with that. You can see that I've gone over a lot. I mean, the track, like I said, you've got track rubbers you can clean off or just use your hand. Yeah. There's some other bits that's gone onto the sleepers and stuff. You will get a lot of rust that will run anyway, right? But I got future videos coming out. I'll show you that we're going to blend in our different tones that we've got. So this is the future video, like I said, the future videos that are coming out. Well, I'll show you how to blend all that rust off in with using the concrete dust and the muds and stuff. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the rust section part of the video on weathering the track. We've got up and coming videos coming, so please stay tuned for those. If you like it, share the video, and please subscribe to the channel and making sure you hit that little bell button so you get notifications. Thanks very much for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.